Did you know that home air ducts can accumulate 40 pounds of dust and debris each year? Did you also know the buildup of debris can trigger health issues like allergies or asthma? At COIT, our professional HVAC team will inspect and clean your air ducts thoroughly, improving your home's overall air quality. First, a certified cleaning specialist will perform a walkthrough of your home, identifying and inspecting all vents. Following the inspection, the technician will use a method that puts your home's entire system under negative pressure. Using air whips and brushes, specialists can provide a deep clean of the ductwork and all vent covers. Not only does this process improve your home's air quality, but it allows your system to run much more efficiently, saving you money. With COIT, you know you are getting the best cleaning services backed by the industry's strongest 100% satisfaction guarantee. Contact us today. Visit COIT.com or call 800-COIT to learn more.